All right, good morning, everyone. I'm here with my assistants, Lily. Say hi. And Amit, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I make pollen patties from scratch. I don't really have access to the pre-made pollen patties. There's some rumors that there's a place in the north of the country that has them imported from Turkey. One, I don't trust them. Turkey. One, I don't trust them, and two, there's a language barrier. Forget the Hebrew. I'm pretty sure I'd have to speak Arabic to really get them. So I'm going to get started. So the first thing, thank you, I use 1 kilogram of soy flour, 400 grams of nutritional yeast, and 1 kilogram of white sugar, just plain white sugar. Secret ingredient is 1 liter of 2-to-1 syrup, and it's got Hive Alive in it, so that is very helpful. I will mix everything inside of this bin, but also inside this telescopic lid. That will keep everything contained, and it also makes shaping easier. And I'm going to use this baking paper as layers in between to get everything flat. This is biodegradable. The bees will chew it up and just drag it out of the front of the hive. Okay, so let's get started. You guys are doing a great job. All right. Okay, so first thing, let's add this. This is the soy flour.
Soy flour. Soy flour.
All right, you gonna help me pour it in?
Yeah.
There you go. Good job. Can you put that in the trash behind you? Bepach. Watch your hands, Lily. Okay, Lily, can you help me pour this in here?
Yeah.
Wow, good job, Lily.
My nose is.
Okay, and this goes in the... Thank you. All right, I'm going to do the sugar. Let's see, how high can I go? Whoa! What kind of bread are we making? Who's it for?
Pizza.
Not for people, this is for the bees.
What? Bees?
Yeah,
Pizza bees.
bread for bees. This is the nutritional yeast. Huh? Pizza, hello pizza. Hayom.
Pizza should bees.
Pizza, little pizza shop, not pizza for bees. But that would be funny, wouldn't it? What does this smell like, Lily? Can you smell this? Yeah, what does that smell like? Yeah. Kimach?
Yeah.
What's kimach by Anglit in English? Flour. There you go. We finally. There you go. Yeah, let's empty it out all the way, all the way, all the way. Okay, now bepach. In the trash. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to mix it up. How do you mix things up? Oh, Lily, how do you mix things up?
Hands.
With your hands. Okay.
No.
You stir it up, you mix it up. How do you do it?
Hand.
You going to help me? Whoa!
Look it up.
Oh!
Whoa.
And do that. Okay, let's mix it up. Oh, okay. There you go. Okay, that's it. Yuck. Look at that. Yuck. Yucky. All right. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh.
You gonna help, Lily?
Boy.
You help in this one. Whoa. Okay, Amiti. Whoa. Oh, you'll do the last of it, Lily. Here. All right, that's it. Oh, where does that go? All right, so let's mix this up. Oh, this is too yucky. You have to have a glove. I don't have little gloves for you guys. We're just gonna mix this until it has until it has a consistency, maybe, I mean, of dough, obviously, but you just want to mix it up to where it all just kind of comes together and stays together. Okay, my hands were sticky, so I didn't get to show it. I didn't press record, but basically I just took this paper and I laid it out, and then I flattened out these this mix between sheets. I'm gonna go wash my hands now, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna slice these into appropriate sizes. So I'll be back in a minute. Come on, kids, let's go. Okay, so now we're going to slice these into patty sizes. This knife is relatively sharp, but also one thing, if you're slicing sticky stuff or even rubber, you get the blade wet, it tends, I don't want to be embarrassed here, but it tends to slice better. And yeah, this is catching and snagging for the most part at slicing fairly well. Let's see if that went all the way through. Did I get a full thickness? No, but I'll just go again. Yep, full thickness there. Here, not that much. There you go. You can see the difference. I dragged inside there. It wasn't quite enough. Very light, also. Okay. Oh, okay. That's fine. I'm just going to slap these on. Okay. You know hi. Alright, so we're slicing these up. And as you can see, they're just big hunkers. Probably good there. Whatever. Alright. There you go. I'm going to turn these down a little bit. Alright. Alright. Alright, guys. Let's take a quick look at it again. Pick that up later. Alright. There we go. We got our patties. And they're a little sticky. This paper's not like the best, but I'll work and get up on getting these pulled apart. Yeah, like that. That'll pull apart just fine. And there you go. There we go. And there you go. And these are ready to go. These are ready to go in the hive like that. So, all right, well, I'm going to pull all these apart, and I'm going to go slap them on the hives. And of course, I forgot to turn my microphone on, but that's okay. This is a shim that I made out of an old inner cover that I just kind of ripped out of the middle. And you can see I'm just placing the pollen patty right over the little cluster here, checking for the queen, and I'm putting the lid back on. And I want to make sure that that I've got a nice seal all around, no bees hanging out. Go ahead and grab my hive top bucket feeder, and I'm pretty much done. We'll come check a little later.